Hey guys! Welcome to our channel. Today I will be showing you our beautiful town of Asindao. Assendelft is a town in the province of North Holland. It is a part of the municipality of Zaanstad. The North Sea Canal connects Assendelft with Amsterdam and Velsen, and it lies about 13 kilometers northeast of Haarlem and about 15 kilometers south of Alkmaar. The statistical district of Assendelft, which covers the village and the surrounding countryside, has a population of around 22,500. Assendelft is one of the old settlements in North Holland, with signs of settlement dating from as early as 500 BC. It has this little flower shop where you can get your orchids, your weekly supply of blossoms and other floras. The Hema, one of my favorite stores in the Netherlands, and a walk away. It's my go-to store whenever I need stuff for Jens for a small party or giveaways. For over-the-counter remedies, Athos and Kruidvat are just also a step away. I love Kruidvat for Jens' quick toy needs, for his Play-Dohs, and other things. Albert Heijn and Bomar are there to serve you 7 days a week for quick trips to the supermarket. If you love Chinese food, well, there is also one right at the corner.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came for a while.
Now here's my all-time favorite. This has been our tradition to eat Japanese food every Valentine's Day at Sanju restaurant.
Almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a bar in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m.
Very popular in the Netherlands, the vishandel, or what you might call a fish cart, where you can find various seafood to order on the go. One of the many favorites other than the haring is kibbeling, which is simply fried cod coated with flour. I'm not really a fan of it, so being a Filipina, I always order gambas. In Assendelft, we have vis and so, which makes the best kibbeling and gambas I have tasted so far in the Amsterdam area. Very fresh and made with a smile.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever.
this short video of my little sound of town here in the Netherlands, guys. Till my next vlog. Bye!